In this video, I want to give you a comparison between the recently updated Dollarwise budget app and the budget app I just launched with the developer, Dollar Designator. I'll cover the objective differences, I'll go through the pros and cons of each as a seasoned budgeter, and I'll break down who I think each budget app is created for. Spoiler, each app definitely has an advantage over the other in various areas. So let's get into it. Number one, the price. Dollarwise costs $99 for an annual plan, or you can pay $15 a month on the monthly plan. Either one comes with a 3-day free trial. No free option for long-term budgeting. Dollar Designator costs $54 annually with a risk-free 60-day free trial. No credit card required to set it up, so if you forget you signed up, you won't get charged. There will also be a free version, but we're still working out the details of exactly what that looks like. Number two, how the apps are offered. Dollarwise has an official mobile app that can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. Unfortunately, as of the filming of this video, there's no web app, so you're locked in on your phone. I love that it has a mobile app, but I do wish that it had a desktop version as well. Dollar Designator, on the other hand, does not have an app that can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play, but it's super flexible. You can use it on your desktop through the website, and it looks really good on mobile browsers too, on your tablets or your phones. The layout holds up regardless of what device you're using. Number three, bank connectivity. Dollarwise has secure bank connectivity. Transactions get imported automatically, so it's easy to sort them into their categories. That's great for keeping up with tracking your everyday expenses. Dollar Designator does not have bank connectivity yet. Right now, we're building it for that premium tier. Right now, you add transactions manually, or you can upload your bank's CSV file, and then it'll pull your transactions in itself. I think right now, this is the biggest opportunity for improvement with Dollar Designator. Again, we're working on that feature. Number four, budget timeline. Dollarwise uses a monthly timeline like most other budget apps. You budget your expected income against your expected expenses every month. Dollar Designator has no timeline, so it's a digital envelope system. Each payday, you designate your income into various envelopes that you've set up in preparation for the upcoming expenses. It's as if when you get paid, you go to the bank, you pull out all that cash, and then you split it up across physical envelopes. Envelopes like groceries, mortgage, utilities, vacations, whatever. Except it's digital, so you don't have to worry about having a ton of cash on hand. So you import your transactions, you designate them to your envelopes, and then you can transfer between envelopes if one needs more. I'm very familiar with monthly budgeting, but I actually really like this no time frame approach. If you're paid every other week, you just put into your envelopes whatever you need until your next payday. And for like mortgage or rent, something that happens on a monthly basis, all you have to do with each paycheck is put in half of what you need for the next month's payment. Super easy to use. Number five, savings. Dollarwise does not have a strong savings system. You can sort some transactions as savings, but there's no real way to build sinking funds. A vacation, a car, a home down payment, whatever. Honestly, I've used a ton of budgeting apps, and this might be the worst app out there for budgeting savings. Dollar Designator is essentially a bunch of sinking funds. The envelope system prepares you for everyday expenses as well as future big ones. I'm a huge sinking fund guy, so this is essential. Set up an envelope for anything, and that balance just carries week to week, month to month. Income comes in, transactions go out, regardless of whether you're talking about a grocery envelope where you've got multiple purchases going out every week, or an envelope that you just keep putting money into every single paycheck. Makes saving for literally anything so easy. Number six, insights. This one definitely goes to Dollarwise right now. It gives insight into your income and your spending. It's not super detailed, but I like that it tells you, hey, this is how much you spend on your necessities versus your wants, which can really help you actually shift your habits if you find that one category you spend way more than you thought. Dollar Designator does not have any insights yet, but it's on our roadmap. Now, obviously, these aren't the only differences between the two apps, but these are the major differences and probably the ones that will make the biggest impact on the everyday budgeter. Now, for whom is each of these apps created? Dollarwise, I think, is for the pseudo budgeter. Someone without a ton of budgeting experience who just wants to know where their money's going and get a vibe for how their finances are going without a ton of extra focus. It is a simple understanding of your money from a budget perspective. Dollar Designator is for the person who wants an ultra simple budget setup that keeps them proactive with every dollar that they earn and spend. It's for people who want to live within their means. It's for people who want the certainty that they're on the right track. And it's for the people who want an easy way to track their savings, whether it's for a few sinking funds or it's for 40 because you like to save for literally anything, even tires. Hi, that's me. It's not perfect yet. I get this is not going to be the app for everyone, but we want to make this as good as possible. If you do sign up, we want your feedback because we want this to be usable for you. Now, like I said, we just launched Dollar Designator. As an introductory offer, anyone who signs up right now gets a risk-free 60-day free trial. No credit card required, but the first 100 signups get an exclusive offer of more than 50% off for the first full premium year. That is $24.95 for the whole year, including bank connectivity and unlimited envelopes. Sign up using the link below or just go to dollardesignator.com. Subscribe for more budget content and watch this video next.